Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really useful skill, how to import a text file, specifically one that's tab delimited, into Power BI Desktop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get data from a simple text file into Power BI, and you'll be ready to start building insightful data visuals in no time. Whether you're new to Power BI or just need a refresher, this tutorial will make sure your data lands perfectly in your report. Let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Power BI Desktop on your computer. If this is your first time opening Power BI, don't worry, it might take a few moments to load, especially if your computer is processing a lot. Once it's open, you'll see the main dashboard, and from here, everything else becomes super intuitive. Next, on the Home tab at the top of your screen, look for that big Get Data option. It's usually the first step for bringing your external data into Power BI. Click on Get Data, you'll see a list of different data sources. Here you want to choose Text CSV because your file is a simple text file. Now Power BI will prompt you to browse your folders. Navigate to where your text file, in this case it's named Sales Data TXT, is saved. Select it and hit Open. Immediately Power BI will try to read your file and bring up a preview window. Here, where it gets a little interesting, by default, Power BI expects your text file to be separated by commas because that's the most common. But if you open up your sales data, TXT, in something like Notepad, you'll notice the values are actually separated by tabs, not commas. This tiny detail can cause our data to display as one long string instead of neat columns. So in this preview window, look for the delimiter option. It might be set to comma by default. Click on it and a little menu should expand, allowing you to change the delimiter. Scroll or select Tab. As soon as you switch the delimiter to tab, watch what happens in the preview below. The columns should instantly split up correctly. Now you'll see fields like order ID, product, amount, and date, each in its own neat column, just as you want. This step is really crucial. If you skip confirming or correcting the delimiter, your data could look all jumbled and won't be much use for analysis. Think of it like trying to slice a cake with the wrong tool. You'll just end up with a mess. Double-check your columns before moving forward. If everything looks good, you're almost done. At the bottom of this window, you'll see two choices. One is Load and the other is Transform Data. If your data looks just right, you can go ahead and click Load, and Power BI will bring the table straight into your data model. If you want to do some tweaking, say remove some columns or fix errors, you can hit Transform Data to open Power Query and edit things before loading. For most folks, Load is the quickest path. And that's it, your data from Sales Data TXT is now part of your Power BI project. You'll see the table on the right side under the Fields pane, ready for you to use in visuals. Now for the fun part. You can start making visuals immediately. Try dragging product onto the x-axis and amount onto the y-axis to create a quick bar chart, or maybe put date on the x-axis and amount on the y-axis for a simple line chart to see sales trends over time. The possibilities are huge from here. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give it a like, and if you have any questions about importing data or working with Power BI, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.